All right, we're gonna record one more of these, and then I gotta go and do grocery shopping and you know take care of my real life physical needs rather than my online fake needs. Just drop off some of this junk. Stone, dirt, weird bits and bobs. Just gonna throw the mushrooms in here along with some mangoes. We'll get this sorted out on a later date. I don't need this. And I don't need this shovel because there is not like further dirt anywhere on the island to the best of my knowledge. I think there's just one dirt locale. Now I've killed the boar. If I could kill that big bird, it would bring a great deal of joy into my life. I would love to kill Big Bird. No, that's not true. I love Big Bird. This is a purely pro Big Bird. This is a pro Big Bird, not podcast, Let's Play series. We are all for PBS, pro PBS. Boo to HBO. Boo. Boo to private interests taking control of my puppets. Listen. The simple fact of it is, I think Mr. Rogers had it right when he went before Congress. And I think Reagan, believe it or not, had it pretty wrong when he loosened restrictions on the ability to advertise to children. I think that's kind of incorrect. I would, left to my own devices, I would say that it is bad to let advertisers target children. Got him. Where'd he go? Whoa! Whoa! Ow. Okay. The eating doesn't heal you. I wish it did. Wish it were true, but it does not. Wish I could just eat my way through fighting this big bird, but that's not the case. I have to... Dang it. It's kind of hard. I think in multiplayer it's a little bit easier because they'll occasionally target the other person, but you kind of have to wait for it to come to you and shoot it. I've only killed it a few times while playing this game, and I've played this game a good number of hours. And it's not that it's like so difficult, but it's just very tedious. If you see what I mean, because you don't really know where it's coming from, so you kind of have to plan around it, like maybe just appearing at any moment. You kind of just have to like sit and wait for it. You can't really like explore in between it coming for you, or at least that's the way it seems to me. Perhaps I will get better at bird combat over the course of this. Damn it. Nope. Don't kill me. As long as you continue running, though, it's kind of hard for it to hit you, which is the nice thing. Come on. Oh, come on. Where'd he go? I thought he was going to land, and I could maybe get a shot or two off. We're just staying... Yeah. Nice. Glad I did not fall off the island for that maneuver. It'll probably be worth it eventually to invest in like metal arrows to make this go a little faster. Oh, I thought that was another boar for a second. Where is he? Where's he at? There he is. Coming to kill me. stopped sprinting instead of starting sprinting. This is a huge mistake. It's the opposite of how I wanted it to go. Call me Legolas. No. Don't call me Legolas, actually. Alright, we'll chop a tree for a minute while we wait for the bird to come murder us. This is a real battle of the gods. Battle of the titans, if you will. Me with my arrows and the bird picking up rocks. Where'd it go? I'm a little frightened now because I don't know where it's at. Whoop. Fucking. This guy, dude. This guy, man. And you're annoying as well. It's gonna fly all the way down to the bottom. Yep. But we're gonna get him on the way up this time. Get ready, because here comes the headshot. It's gonna fall out of the sky. I'll let him fly. Fly on down. I'll maybe come up here. Pick some berries. Do I have enough space in my inventory? Yeah, okay. There he at. There's he at. Oh, is he gonna land up here? That'd be great. Actually. Come land there. Land like right there. Please. I beg of you. No. Nope. There he is. Missed. Enormous whiff. I'll get better at the game eventually is the secret. I'll just do better. Simply just play, get better progress. Okay. So we just want a bunch of simple fishing bait, I think. And then I can buy like plastic and stuff, I guess, without. Is that worth it? I mean, plastic is useful, but I have it right now. I'm okay. Because we need to do some fishing to get our tiered. There's like a whole fish-based economy in this game, and you need to. Yes. All right. Out of inventory space, basically. But that's okay. I'll just eat some berries. Eat this watermelon. So that's why I'm out of inventory space. I'm carrying a whole damn watermelon around. We'll come up here. Pick these berries, eat these berries. And then, where's the bird? Come and kill me, bird. I dare you. Strike me down. Or don't. That's also fine. And then I think we'll just drop. Where's this fucking bird at? Where's he gone? Is he still? Uh-oh. This is how it goes wrong. Bird. There you are. Maybe he's not interested in me while I'm up here. That'd be nice. I'm gonna drop off some junk. I don't need this. I'm not gonna build a juicer anytime soon. And I don't need this. I'll chop some more wood. No problemo. Pick this stuff up. Hope I didn't throw anything on the ground, but probably I did. What's that? Mango seed? I don't care. Mango seed can go on. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna come down here. We're gonna pull out the old bow and arrow. Oh, that's the stuff I threw away. Where is he? Come back here. Don't you hide from me. He flew into the island. I got him once for free. I got a free one. Oh, but now he's... Okay, this is fine. This is good, though, because that means he's going to fly right at me. Night's falling. Way down there, huh? I think we're just gonna stick with the combat for a while. See what we can... See if we can kill this bird. Get my vengeance. Where's the bird flying? It's gonna... Where is he? Where'd he go? There he is. Yeah, come back over here. Land right below me. No, come on. Oh, you coward. Come back. Come on, fly on up. Come after me. Got him. Don't fly above me. Don't you do it. Don't land up there. Land below me where I can shoot at you. Come on. No, that's too far away. Maybe, unless... No, it's a full whiff. I'm definitely gonna have metal arrows next time I do this. It's just not worth it. It takes too long otherwise. Come here. Where'd he go? There he is. Oh, now who looks like an idiot? It's you. You do. Oh, 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 you're still... Oh. It's kind of rolling. That's okay. I'm coming down. Slide on down. What do I get out of this even? Feathers, feathers, feathers. Raw drumsticks. Raw drumsticks. Bird head. Okay, I do want this stuff. Let's see what we can get rid of. Toss these, combine these. Eat these. And then pick up that stuff. And then find a way back to your boat somehow. Because this island, it's been picked clean. We killed a bird. This is our best island yet, for sure. 100%. Alright. Where's my... I feel like my boat is over here, but I'm gonna be mad when I... But, like, I have to check, because then if I walk around the whole island, I'll be pissed. No, okay. Great, great, great. God, I'd sell my soul for any sort of movement ability in this game. That's my only critique. I would love a movement upgrade. Just anything. Just some Nike Airs or something. Like a... Help me out here. Just a little bit. Tired of fucking... Just like... This is the sprint. This is normal. The sprint feels like walking in a lot of games, I feel like. This is the neutral jog for most games, and here I am. It's my major mode of mochalotion? That's not right. What's the word? They use it for, like, trains. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about, but someone should know what I'm talking about. Drop off this stuff. Drop off this stuff. Nope. Whoop. Don't want to fall in the water. Okay. I'm going to pick up some wood and pick up some plastic and pick up some plastic and pick up some plastic. And my hammer again. And then fix this whole situation. Alright. Throw some chicken on the grill. Pick up this stuff. Throw some of the food. I don't know why there's wood and nails in here particularly, but there is. Throw some of these in here. Continue eating watermelon nonstop. These guys are going in here. Gonna put this stuff over here. And this stuff in here. Let's get a move on. What am I doing? I need to leave. Where's the... Ah. Do I want to go this way? I think this is the easiest way to get around the island, probably. And then once we're around the island... Oh, but if I can, I would love to sort of do that little spin maneuver so that I can, like, just, like, catch the edge of the island and keep going. Would be a dream. Oop. Come on. Just a little spin. Maybe not. Or maybe if I turn it at this angle. No. Nope, it's not happening. That's alright. What are you gonna do? Throw some chicken legs on. Consume the flesh of your enemies. Really go to town. Ah, and I can make a fishing rod next time. We can get some of the fancy fish that I can then sell at the next place alongside more trash, which I need to make a new battery. I need to, this is, oh my gosh. Stuff is really moving now, I feel like. We're really kicking along at quite a pace. Hope I do not finish the game and have like 200 days to go, but we'll see. That might be how it goes. You never know. In which case, maybe at that point, I invest in a bed and start doing a little bit longer episodes of me clearing a few days at a time. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Ah. Is that the light of dawn peeking out from behind the rocks over there? In which case, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.